Okay friends, as you know, I love to doodle. I love doing doodle art. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I've been working on, and up here on the whiteboard, I'm going to create an epic doodle for you and give you some tips for your own doodling at home. Because you can doodle it anywhere, and you can doodle it with anything, alright? Let's do it. Okie dokie, right here, this is my portfolio. A portfolio is just like a folder, and you keep all your art in there, like a little collection. And I'm really proud of this doodle. I did like big block letters for my name, and then I filled in the space with the doodles. Doodling is a lot of times about filling space. You can make a shape and fill it in, or try to fill the whole page. And I've got a lot of stuff in here. This is actually just a sketch that's not finished, and that's okay. This is a spaceship doodle. I got the idea from someone called Peter Draws. You should definitely check him out on YouTube, way cool. And it's just like a doodly spaceship. I'm really proud of that one. And then let's look at some different doodles. Doodling is like you can do it any way you want. You know, people like to do character doodles like these ones. I got that idea from someone called Vex on YouTube. He makes some pretty cool doodles. This is another one in that style. You know, lots of characters and filling up all the space. Some of them are like little fun designs. Some people just like to do design doodles. That's fine. It could just be shapes. Whatever your imagination feels like doing, you just go with it. You don't think too much about it. You just add more and more and more and more. It's kind of like if you're drawing little flowers on the side of your page or something that you're not really thinking about. That's doodling. And you actually can turn it into a pretty cool style of art. The more you practice it, the better you get. And the important thing is to just have fun while you're doing it, and then it doesn't feel like practice. You just have fun, you keep doing it, you keep having fun. Suddenly you wake up one day and you're really, really good at it. So that's what I hope you get into. Alright friends, so we talked in the last one about how you can use anything to make art. You don't need fancy paper. You can just use a regular pen that your mom or dad uses to sign stuff, or whatever you have around the house. It's fine, alright? You don't need anything specific. Even for papers, you can doodle on napkins if you have to. You can doodle on the back of old receipts, of old papers that you don't need, an old school notebook that you don't need. You'll find something, I'm sure. Just use that awesome creative brain. Now, I wanted to do this doodle in black, but I can't find my black marker. So I'm not going to give up. I'm just going to use blue. It'll be fine. I'll make a blue doodle, okay? So I'm going to do some doodle art all over this whole whiteboard. I'm going to fill up the space. And actually, I think I'll do it in the shape of a heart, because I feel so much love for all my students, and you're all so awesome, and I miss you, and I want to just put out this message of love and happiness for everybody. Okay? So I'm going to fill up this heart with doodles. Let's have fun. I'm going to put on some tunes and go for it. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. I didn't think too much about it. I kind of just let it flow. And you know what? Yours doesn't have to look like mine. Everyone's is different. And I've been doing this a long, long time. This is my favorite kind of art, so don't be intimidated. You can copy things off there if you want. I don't care. Or you just do your own thing. But make some doodles. I don't care where you do it. Just doodle it. All right? Have fun. I'll see you next time. Make art. You're awesome. Yes, you are awesome and you're creative. You can do this. Make some cool stuff. You're going to have fun. You're going to get better at something and you're going to come back to school with these awesome new skills. So you can do it. Yes, you. And if it's hard, keep trying. You get better each time.